I'm taking a video on my phone, so. Ha.
I didn't think anybody'd show up, but look at this. Nobody will show up. He said beer.
Well, I probably can't through a phone.
Yeah, look what you got now.
And then he says, well, you know what, Vivian, nobody will probably show up, so don't worry. And so next year
More.
it'll be bigger. Ooh, then I'll really get the grill out.
Yeah, more people are going to be here in about a year.
Yeah, why wouldn't you?
I'm doing a video.
Oh,
This is a beautiful spot right here.
it is. You know what? Like I said, a year ago, I didn't even know it was here. It was. All the trees were covering it, and they were dead.
Oh, here goes some more.
Oh, they put on a.
Looks like there was a
Whoa, Jesus! That scared the crap out of me!
Further away.
I missed that one! That gave me a heart attack.
Who did that one?
Somebody.
Scared me.
I did not like that. Now I'm gonna watch over there.
No more fireworks.
Remember yesterday at the sparkler how it was scary at first, but then it ended up being fun? That's how these are. It's okay. It'll be up in the air. It's okay.
Just about. Steady as
I mean,
you can buy those that are pretty damn nice. Inside and
Somewhere.
Well, I know, like.
I think she's talking about.
you're okay.
Look at more than 50 I've gone.
Every year, we had all the neighbors.
Mom, why is it why do I?
balloons are in.
Scare off those ducks.
Well, that was fun.
There's still more.
Just kidding.
Jeff wasn't
There's still more, people.
These are smaller, Haley.
Wait to the big one.
Oh, she's going. I can hear it.
Jesus! Criminy. That was cool.
I told you I can hear it.
Right above your head. You don't see it that close very often.
You don't see that one very often.
Is she doing another one?
I could.
It's like a paper shot.
Every single time. Get,
Another one.
I want to know.
Aim it down further, Jeff.
I don't think.
Towards the lake. Yeah, just take it down the slope a little bit.
Run away.
Jeff, are you still alive?
Still alive.
We're down a man. That's all right. It's
All right, batter up. Who's next?
not going in.
I volunteer.
No way.
Man, you gotta love fireworks on the 4th of July.
I don't know why they do the tradition. The animals are trying to sleep.
Holy Jesus!
Hey, that didn't go well.
Too far down.
I'll never forget that one.
That sort of took a left-hand turn.
Do not point it that far down. Do not point that one too far down.
Can you tell me when
Now just head down the hill a little bit more.
No, point it
You
up.
went a little bit more.
Just point it up, we'll be fine.
Those boxes, it's bad.
Lots. I wonder if the other boats are gonna let you.
Everyone alright after that last one there?
Yeah, she blew up.
Did the tube
Oh, we got a
survive?
big tube.
Huh? Did the tube make it?
Oh yeah.
Glory of welding, huh?
Good thing we didn't have PVC.
That 6011, it'll stretch, it don't break.
So colorful. It's like a rainbow.
she look like pancakes? Yeah, like
Do you have to get a permit for that?
Probably technically.
No, you just have to be really stealthy. Whoever said that.
Yeah. Gotta be sneaky.
Don't get caught. That's what you're supposed to do.
Like,
If anyone asks, it's the neighbors.
neighbors did it.
Can't do it. Do it.
Better not be lighting another one.
No, we'll know in here in about 10 seconds.
Oh, jeez.
Listen.
Oh, come on now. Really?
And there's more not in the cooler. Dang, we're trying to space out some fireworks
Dang.
tomorrow.
Waste them.
They have more than you can imagine, and then which has a whole bunch. Yeah. They do a really good job.
Pretty cool fireworks.
Very cool.
Better than the ones in town.
Well, there's a lot of people over there. Yeah. That chip. We do think about it.
do down in Bridge.
That's my brother's side. They have more fireworks than we do down in the
The one that we did on the side of your house?
Oh, the little bubble chicken.
Hey, they're not lining up another one.
It looks like an egg.
I found that little bush today.
Oh,
Last night.
yeah, that was a good
It's those that get tight, they really go up there.
You got
Tight,
some
smooth
water
board.
Yeah,
kind
I got tannerized because that kind of stuff just freaks me out. So I got perfect. There was railing there, so we didn't play. I ended up going on a ride. I didn't know.
What was that?
I thought it wasn't gonna spin because she wasn't really tall enough, and basically she can go on it if you go on it with her. I thought it was a kid riding it, and it was red, and it just spun in circles like plus I thought it was going to. She liked it.
I would have thrown
I just looked down because I had to hold on to her too because it was slanted the whole time. I was like, oh god, it's gonna give Miracle if I don't throw up, but I did. But I did not.
I like
I thought
that.
it was.
I looked at Aaron, and he's just like giving me this like, so
that?
that's you. Like, swings.
That it?
Swings make me sick.
Really?
Oh yeah, if I go on a swing, icky merry-go-rounds,
Oh, well.
I'm done.
No, we can.
I'm done.
I love rides.
I love roller coasters.
need a beer?
I like those kinds of stuff. But anything that you go
Okay, I was wondering because that seems like where they're at.
Macy's, huh?
The whole bunch. Yeah.
She said, yeah, yesterday.
They better not be lighting up another one over there.
It's too dark. And Macy's on her. She's there, right there. When she first walked up, yeah, right, you know. Then she got in, and then she was walking. I said,
They're supposed to make your chickens are gonna lay eggs? Okay.
and then
You have to
about
go out and check every day?
5 minutes,
Here,
it was
said she-
about 2 minutes later, she came to get me.
She's like, I can't wait on TV.
That one was a little shorter.
I can't wait to come
She
home
knew
and
who I was.
pick chicken eggs.
Wait until the grand finale.
How many chickens you got?
Ernie, would you?
Christy, are we going to see the one in Bemidji
Stupid chicken
tomorrow?
egg. Tried eating a string from one of them.
You gotta fish it out of the
Oh.
middle of her to get make golden out of it. You want me to get it?
Would I? Yeah, and I'm like,
Tomorrow's Monday.
swallow that. Yeah. But we ended up here, so
Might have
we
to
didn't
go
want
for
to
the big.
chase it, and it's still like, I
Oh.
thought about it.
Let Chad show you how. Did you get one?
Try.
Tuesday.